hardly corroded at all. It's been here since 1886, so how did that happen? I guess cast iron is more resistant than we think when no water sets on it. So it's always had a roof on it. Originally the roof that was on it was in the school. So it hung in the school, and then the school boys would bring it at the appointed times. Now, it's a heavy bell, 640 pounds. Even with the rope going down the center of the school, they didn't have enough strength to just pull it. So what they do is jump on the rope, and the weight would carry them down. So that's why they say only boys were allowed to do it. But really, it was the times. That's what they did in those times. I'm sure plenty of girls could have done it if they hadn't been trying to control the boys in the classroom by giving them something a little extra.
We could jump, we could hang, we could do that.
The boys that weren't good didn't get to do the bell. I think we see similar techniques, but not on the bell anymore. Occasionally they swing it too hard. Unfortunately, when you swing a bell like this too hard, what happens is it goes up like that, and it freezes in place at the top.
Did that last year?
Well, that happened once during our ringing last year. So it may not be quite as good of a bearing in it anymore as there used to be. Or maybe we do have people that strong. So when it would hang up there at the top, so what would you do? So often they put a ladder on the roof of the school. And they'd send one of the kids up to unleash it from its resting up there. Do you think that then they did it more often? Sure. After a while, it was sort of a routine. And because, well, if you had the chance to go outside the school and do something like climb on a roof, well, there's always a kid that wants to do that. Two-room schoolhouse. But of course, it's the same concept. You need a bell so people know the school has started. I was just telling people that you actually can hear the bell about 10 blocks away from here without traffic. So we thought maybe for Incorporation Day we'd stop all traffic so we could hear the bell better. Or maybe we'll just hear whatever comes out and we'll let the traffic ride. So Incorporation Day is here.